In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access data and privacy settings in Discord, step by step. If you're concerned about your personal information, want to manage how Discord uses your data, or just want to review your privacy options, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Discord guides. All right, let's get started. The first step is to open Discord. You can do this either through the desktop app or by going to discord.com in your web browser and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Discord interface with your servers listed on the left-hand side and your channels in the center panel. Now that you're inside Discord, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile section there, including your username, profile picture, and a few small icons. One of those icons is the User Settings button, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open your main settings menu, where you can control everything related to your account. After clicking User Settings, you'll be taken to a new panel with a list of options on the left-hand side. This menu includes sections like My Account, Profiles, Privacy and Safety, Authorized Apps, Devices, and more. What we're looking for today is the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down the left-hand menu until you find Data and Privacy. Depending on updates to Discord's layout, it may be grouped near Privacy or under Account-related settings. Once you see Data and Privacy, click on it. As soon as you click Data and Privacy, the main panel will update to show all the available data-related options. Here, you can review how Discord handles your information and what control you have over it. You'll typically see options related to requesting your data, controlling how Discord uses your activity for personalization, and managing analytics or usage tracking preferences. If you want to request a copy of your data, this is the section where you can do it. Discord allows you to request a data package that includes information associated with your account. Simply follow the prompts in this section if you'd like to download your account data. You may also see toggles that let you control how Discord uses your data for improving features, personalizing your experience, or sharing certain activity signals. Review these settings carefully and adjust them according to your comfort level. If you prefer more privacy, you can disable certain personalization or usage tracking options. It's a good idea to take a few minutes to go through each option in the Data and Privacy section so you fully understand what's enabled on your account. Privacy settings are important, especially if you use Discord frequently for communities, gaming, or professional communication. Once you've finished reviewing or adjusting your settings, there's nothing else you need to save manually. Discord automatically saves your changes as you toggle options on or off. You can simply close the settings window by clicking the X in the top corner or pressing the Escape key. And that's it. That's exactly how you access data and privacy settings in Discord and manage your account information. It only takes a few clicks, but it's an important step in keeping your account secure and customized to your preferences. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.